This is a video on estimating. A quick guide to estimating a number like 38 times 8. There seems to be two options that are obvious. One of them is to go with 38 times 10. The other is to go with 40 times 8, just rounding one number or the other. The thing is, one of these is a much better estimate than the other. The problem comes from which number you're rounding, in that in this one, when I have adjusted here, I'm out by two lots of 38, and in this one, because I've taken the 40 up to, I'm out by two lots of 8. Well, which one of those is the smaller error? Two lots of 8 is clearly the smaller error, so we're not going with the first one. As a general rule, when you're going to do estimating here, you're going to change the larger number, not the smaller number. You just end up with less error that way. So, 40 times 8, well, 4 times 8 is 32, so add a 0 on the end. It's roughly 320. Of course, knowing that it's out by 16, we could now get an exact answer by taking 16 away. Moving on to something a bit bigger, 96 times 216. Now, there's a little trap laid in here. It seems obvious that we can put that to 100, and I have just gone up in rounding there. I can go over here. If I were to go with something like 220 here, I've rounded this one up as well. Despite the fact that I'm rounding down by 16, and that seems like a long way, when I've gone up on one and I've gone down to round the other, the answer is probably going to be okay. So in this case, 96 times 216 is approximately equal to 200 with two extra zeros, approximately equal to 20,000. Were you familiar with this symbol for approximately? There's another option. There's that one, like an equal sign with a dot either side, or a division sign with two lines. These are the two different ways we can represent approximately.